January. Up! Whoa, Lucy. Whoa. Come on. And we've got George Veale, George Veale's son, Warren, and we've got little George, who's in 8th grade. He's never been quail hunting, so we're gonna go and see what we can do. And see if we... Whoa, Annie! Whoop! Whoa! Y'all can go around this stuff. Go around that way. This is bad walking. Whoa, babies. We got our first bird. Whoa, now. Good girls. Good Annie. Good Lucy. Whoa, now. Whoa, now. Good girls. Good babies. Hold on, they're coming. They're coming. Whoa, Lucy. Whoa, don't move. Where'd it go? Come on by that tree. Now get in front of the dogs.
Get in front of that tree.
Get in front of... There you go. Get him.
George, that's your shot. Well, he didn't know we were kicking it yet.
Okay. So I didn't kick him. Sometimes they get up. You got to be ready. These are birds.
That's come up sometimes. They just nervous. You know?
Yeah.
That's right.
They're gone, baby. Oh, Lucy.
All right, don't shoot over the top of anybody's head.
Oh, now, just for your information, Lucy, Annie got the birds pointed. Lucy, that's called backing or honoring. She's honoring Annie. So, we're going to go around here. Come on, this way. Come on, don't. One person needs to get over here and one person right here. Don't be timid, come on.
Be kind of ready.
Warren, you go toward that right over there and kind of get in front of the dog now. In front of the, come on, Warren, up.
I'm going to get by Sammy.
Yeah, you get by me. And y'all see, Warren, come on up some more. Okay, boys. Good girls. Good Annie. Y'all ready? You dropped the leg.
Watch him.
We'll get him. We'll
down by that big tree.
Yeah, by that big.
You pattern.
Oh, baby. Oh. Up, Lucy, whoa. One of you go there and one right there. And the bird's gonna probably go out across this field. Okay. Come on. Okay. Y'all ready? Let's see what we can do here.
Oh, I see. He's got his feet up. He's dead.
Is he dead?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's dead. Dead bird, Lucy. Good girl. Good. Whoa. Good girl. Way to go. Come on, Lucy. Any way you want to hold it. Look at the camera and smile like you're happy. You've not just done something bad. That's good. That's your first bird, isn't it?
First quail.
Good babies.
I'm going to go right. I'm going to stay on the left.
Any way y'all want to do that, that's up to y'all. Where's Mr. George? Go right up there, George, and you'll get a better shot, I think. Way to go, Annie. Whoa, baby. Come on up some more, George. Get in front of the dog, like your daddy. Come on. Up this way a little bit.
So you're in front of the dogs and the noise and everything? Yeah.
You ready, girl? Good shot! Hot almighty!
That's what I'm talking about.
We're gonna hire you.
That's the boy.
Come on, girl.
That's the way to hit it.
Now, that's 2 cigars we owe him.
I used all mine on New Year's Eve.
That's the way you love to see him go
Hey,
down.
baby.
We get a little bit in front of the dogs with this.
That's right. Okay, now, boys. As you can see, it's pretty wide open.
I see the hay that it's there under right there.
Yeah, don't give me excuses about the tree got in the way and all of that. Good girl, good Lucy, good Annie. You did good, baby. Whoa. Okay, y'all all, there he goes. Somebody got him. Who did that?
That's definitely George.
Oh my Lord, he got him. Come on, Aunt Lucy. Dead bird. Y'all don't have to come out here unless you want to. I'll get it and I'll bring it to you. Dead bird. Man, we got a star with us, Lucy. Dead bird, Annie. Dead bird. Good Lord have mercy. Dead bird. Good girl.
Get blocked out by that tree.
Yeah, George,
Yeah.
you might want to stay in the middle. Just don't go to your left.
Well, what I would do if I was you, I'd go over there and get behind Lucy.
Get on the other side of the tree.
Yeah, and I'm going to get the bird up. He's by this tree somewhere.
I'm gonna get right by Sammy.
And George, you can get on that side and I'll get on this side. Here's the bird, I see. He's right here. So, Warren, you come on around. Come on.
You want me to come some way?
No, you good. Okay. Warren, come on around that way, buddy. You get a shot. Come on. Keep coming. All right. Y'all ready? Here we go. This is what you call wild bird hunting.
He's walking towards you, George. He's going back to your right.
Well, that's okay. Don't worry. Now, we got Luke here. And,
Whoa, Luke! Whoa! Whoa!
I see him.
Whoa!
good, Luke. That was really good. We got too many people in the way, don't we? I thought you were going to catch that bird, Bob.
I did too. Did my best. He's going to go to the road, George.
All right, George, you're going.
Where's the other man?
Find him and pick him up.
Between me and that big thing,
Pick hard.
he's gonna go to the road. Come on
Pick
up.
hard.
He's gonna go to the road.
He's to your left, out in front of you about 6 feet.
Go up, George. Warren. Come on up. Come on up. He's going to go away from you.
In front of you.
Right in front of George. There he is, right in front of you, George. Right in front of you.
Give him a little bit more time.
Luke's got another bird up here.
Yeah.
And we go
Where we going to need to be?
behind Bob, wherever he. I think he's going to let one of them kick up the bird.
Get this one, Warren.
They're all down.
You're one now, Luke.
You're walking towards him. Oh, there you go. Hang on.
No good. Here. He went right over here.
I don't know. I didn't see
I
him.
did see him. Just he was flying at just treetop. I mean, bush level.
It may have been
I
George.
think he's right over there. He didn't go far.
Huh.
There it goes. There you
Yay! Now
go. That's
we.
the way you hammer him, big boy.
Now I got another cigar.
That was a hammer. That's what I like to see.
I know a lot of people that walk around like that.
You ready, George?
Step on up. Step on up, boy.
I'm gonna get behind you.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. There you go.
See me over here, right, George?
Somebody got him.
There you go, George. Good shot. Good shot, Warren.
Okay, now. Now, if you miss them in here, you can blame the trees. These trees are the heaviest trees on earth because there's so much lead in them. When Samuel,
Warren.
ah,
Watch where he falls down.
I see him down.
No, I'm saying
that's all right.
That ain't
This is the bird that they missed a while ago. Oh, Lordy! Man, he's gonna be sick smoking all these cigars.
Get close to him.
It's right in front of him on the left. See it? Get ready. We're all down.
Maybe he's gone.
Huh.
Forward, it might have just walked into a little spot.
Oh, I see it.
Hang on.
That's what I'm
Oh!
talking about.
I'm gonna have to
Take
get
it
a.
out of the question.
But he's gonna get to hunt another out.
Okay. Sure. But you want me to go in this
Okay.
direction towards it?
Just
Oh.
go and get walk back here.
George, you want to stay on this left side? You're saying go straight at him.
Well, where is George? Oh, he's over there.
Step on up a little bit, Joel. Step on up. Right there, to your left.
Why didn't she?
Come with Georgie, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Warren,
That's what I like
Yeah.
to see.
what'd you do?
I know your granddaddy didn't teach you that.
You waited on it, send down on it.
Luke, come, bud.
And I forgot to tell you, if you miss, spook will bite you.
Whoa,
I think it's on up there, Bob.
it's on up there, good boy.
See the hind start up here, George, right here.
It's on up, good boy.
There's two of them right here. I'm not gonna shoot you yet. Wait.
Walk fast. Just walk fast toward him.
Walk fast. Shoot. Your bird.
You may not can fly. There you go. Kick hard. Kick hard.
Kick hard.
Good.
So you won't.
Luke, what the hell do you think you're doing? Whoa.
Georgia boy.
They're on this side, Joe. That's right.
They're over here.
Whoa, spook. They don't go to the woods, so y'all got to kill them. They're going to go to the swamp.
I guarantee you. I don't guarantee that much around him, but this time I do.
Get them up with some vigor.
Good shot.
One more right in front of you, Joel.
Good. How mean? Okay, we got Lucy. Oh, baby. Whoa. We got Miss Lucy here. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. The straw's right there. Oh, here, George. George. It's right away. Okay. It's now or never. This is a bird that got loose from us. Okay. He gone.